Hello, this is video for SDL Programming courses Module 5. In this video I will answer these questions. So, demonstrate what you needed to change in project chat setup to get page animation working properly. So I added these pages provided in module. There's 6 different pages which is used in page animation when the page is turned to next or previous page, and by that there's in the game scene class the book pages is now array the size of 6, and in the source file there is defined more pages or page states. Now this is the normal page is displaying text, and title page is displaying title, this text, and end page displays this text. There's a defined default text area, rect area, which is this width is manipulated when page is turned. Also the text is kinda moving according that page changing animation. And this render copy is changed by using this book pages array. So first there's one page rendered at the background, so when the page is turned it looks like there's a other page under it, and the current page is rendered by this page frame turned into integer as index value, and this page frame is manipulated in update function, which I can show now. So in this update function, okay, first I saw when the player hits the space key, then there's the music played. It's normally it's MP3 format, so it must be music because this is done by SDL mixer library. There's the minus thing is that only one MP3 can be played, or only one music can be played at once. So when this is played, the background music gets halted, and I have to start it again from beginning like this. So what I googled, it seems that this SDL sound library would be better for this case because it can play multiple MP3 formats or files, but you get it, yeah. So there's the next, when player hits the space keys, the next page turning boolean is turned to true, and it's code in update, and here's the page frame is raised by this seconds times 3 floating value, and this is changed to integer in the index. So when this comes from 0.0 to 1.0, it changes to next page, and so on. So it takes some time to change to next index and the next page. And this text is done same way I haven't tweaked it yet because my Visual Studio keep freezing. I have some issues with CMake. I think with the copying the res folder causes the CMake to freeze at the moment. I haven't enough time to solve that problem, so but the idea is that the text moves in same speed like the page. When the page is turning, the text is either displayed more or displayed less according this moving page or changing page. And there's some initializations. After this page frame is higher than 5, it means that the 5th index is reached and the 6th is I may say left, so it doesn't need to gain or raise. This page frame doesn't need to raise more. So here's the initializations for the how you say, to get the thing stable. And here's the moving the other direction, previous pages, it's the same logic. So there was the on event with control key. The pages are turned other way. So now the page frame gets values 6.10, I mean 6.0. So it starts from the end towards the beginning. And there were nothing else. So all was done in this game scene, except that I initialized that one MP3 in the SDL app, but there's nothing much. It's just copied. Here's the page flipping loaded. And yeah, I didn't quite get it, but I think to get it to complete this module, I mean this tweaking part, only all things are done, but they are not working properly. I can show this application how it runs at the moment. So this intro scene, I press some key and here comes the page, and this is the title page, and when I turn to next, you can see that text disappears way too quickly. But in the text, this normal page, the player is displayed on the right side. I haven't done that. The player can move at the moment on the left side, I think, if the map just allows it. But I think there's maybe in the end you can go to too much right, or I haven't restricted the player movement according to the coordinate of the window or the player coordinate in the window. But as you saw, the first text wasn't displayed. I haven't time to solve that either, why it doesn't display, but player have to move one before the text start to display. But again, if I change back to intro scene, the text disappears, but way too quickly again. So there's the tweaking, and maybe that text is going wrong direction. Yeah, maybe. But yeah, now the player comes and disappears, and there should be the end, but I don't know what's the problem with that. It only show the first word. It should be, it is defined here, the end. It should be displayed, the both words, like here. They are identical, but I don't know why it doesn't show it. But the page sound is played when the page is changed, and the music, background music, is started again from beginning when the page is turned, and that music is quit to play. But yeah, I think this is all for this module. Thank you for watching, and bye.